Hi, welcome to the customization of corpus-based MT engines tutorial series. We have reached the second phase of our tutorial series. In this video we will show you how to train a PBS MT engine in the Conton MT platform. In the previous videos we have downloaded and prepared the parallel and monolingual corpus for training purposes. Now for Conton MT to recognize the WIPA monolingual corpus, rename it as source, F8, target, mono. On the Conton MT dashboard click on the New tab to create your engine. A wizard window will pop up. Fill out the corresponding blanks. Name the engine and choose the engine type. Then choose the source and target language. Conton offers you more datasets if you are in need of more training data. Bear in mind that the more in-domain data, the best. Finally, check out the summary details of your engine and click on Create. As you can see from the Engines tab, we have successfully created an engine. Now, click on the Training tab to upload the datasets. Drag and drop the corresponding datasets, and the program will start uploading the files automatically. Once the upload is complete, you may click on Build to start your training. The training job has been launched. Another email notification will be sent once it's finished, so that we could start translating with our custom engine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like it. MT technology for everyone.